Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing a Sony 3D Blu-ray DVD player. Let's get into the video. So, I believe the model on this DVD player is the BDP-S6700. So now we need to cut the piece of tape that's right here. There's not one right here for some reason, I don't know why. But there's one right here, and then once that's cut, we can open this up. Alright, so now it's cut. We can open this flap up here. Now we can open that up. So we can see right off the bat, we got a remote. Here, I'm going to open the bag up. I'm going to open the box up completely. Alright, so I've got everything out of the box. It's a little bit of a hassle, but everything came out undamaged. So first off, as you guys saw from the start, we have our remote. Now, if you have a TV remote or whatever, you can program it or sync it up to your DVD player, so you don't have to use this, but it's optional. Next off, we got our two AAA batteries from Sony. They're not Duracell batteries or whatever. Next, we have our AC adapter. Not sure how many volts. It's a 12-volt connector. Can't really get it to focus. And next, we have our manual, which is nothing special, just the instructions and everything you need to know. And lastly, we got our DVD player, which is inside this wrap right here. So now I've opened it up, and as you can see here, this looks pretty slick. You can see the logo right here. It's pretty minimal. Nothing too big here. We got a 4K UHD upscale with a 3D Blu-ray, and it has wireless and LAN connection, as well as Bluetooth, and it's powered by Energy Star. Right here we have our power button, USB 2.0 I believe, or 1.0, and our eject button, so we can eject the DVD. If we head over to the back, we can see this is where our AC adapter will go into. We got a LAN so we can connect to the internet. We have our HDMI output, and we have our digital audio output. And here's the bottom, nothing special. And then we have our just sticker right there. So overall, this looks really nice. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Thanks. Have a great day.